Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to register on the Pocket Option Broker from the TradingFinder website. So let's go to the Review section and enter the Binary Options Brokers section. And from the available brokers, we select Pocket Option. Now by clicking on the option, we go to the official website of this broker. As you can see on the home page in the registration section, you need to only enter your email and password. If you have a promo code, enter it in this section, and if not, just leave this part blank. After entering this information, you agree to the terms and conditions of the Pocket Option Company and click on the Sign Up option. Well, as you saw, our registration was successful, and at this stage you can make deposits into your account. If you're interested, you can check out the tutorial file on the website or go directly to your platform. At this point, we need to verify your email. If you're interested, check out the tutorial file on the website or go directly to your platform. At this point, we need to verify our email. To do this, we click on the avatar, go to the profile, and as you can see, an email has been sent to our email address. We go to our email inbox. We see the Pocket Option email. And in this email, we click on the Verify Email option. Well, our email has been successfully verified. In the next steps, we can verify, limit our account, and start making deposits and withdrawals. Stay with us for the next tutorials. Goodbye.